you how to correctly insert your SIM and microSD cards. First, make sure your phone is powered off. Your phone's card tray is at the upper left. Insert the eject pin that came with your phone into the hole to pop out the card tray. The card tray is labeled SIM1 and SIM2. The SIM1 slot holds a nano SIM card. The SIM2 slot holds a nano SIM or microSD card. Fit your cards into the tray. Check to see that they're aligned correctly. Make sure that the card tray is flush with the surface. Align the tray with its slot, hold the cards into place, and insert the card tray into the phone. To avoid phone damage or card detection failure, purchase standard nano SIMs from your local service center. Any phone damage resulting from use of non-standard cards voids the warranty. Press and hold the power button to start using your Huawei P Smart.